Hi, my name is Ismon and today we are unboxing 8000 watt e-bike from NB Power, China. First of all, I'm going to say today's video production quality is not the bestest. It was first time for me to unbox something so big in front of camera. I also was not prepared at all. I almost decided not to publish this, but here you go. I'm also having a giveaway, lead gaming chair for Finland residents only. This is not sponsored video, I really would like to get away of this box. Okay, let's go, let's do it. Here we have handlebar fasteners, chain, hydraulic brakes, controller 200 amps, Sabvoton 72200, USB Bluetooth dongle to controller with the TFT color display, kickstand, saddle fastener, throttle, grip to the left, pedal, I love this color, it matches to my wheels, pedal assistant, and that's it, that's all what I have here, and let's go forward. "19-inch motorcycle rims with custom red color, and here we have electronic e-bike frame. Please be aware I have no experience of bikes or e-bikes and this is my first build. This is all what I have here for you today. Please subscribe, like and share.